welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a Gelatina de Coco, which is a coconut gelatin. And the ingredients are 1 can of table cream, a 13.5-ounce can of coconut milk, half a can of sweetened condensed milk, a can of evaporated milk, two packets of unflavored gelatin, two cups of whole milk, coconut gelatin mix, and you're gonna need a mold. Okay, those are the ingredients. Now let's get started. All right, everyone, so you want to start off by opening your coconut gelatin and your unflavored gelatin, and mixing it into the coconut gelatin. So mix the unflavored one into the coconut one. Make sure your milk is warm. I put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Okay, so make sure that is mixed. Well. Incorporated and you don't see any lumps. I'm actually going to switch to this whisk. You have to make sure that the milk is warm, that way it dissolves easily. If it's cold, it's gonna your milk is gonna have lumps in it. Lumps, clumps. Okay, so as you can see, that's fully dissolved. All right, for the next step, you're gonna want to incorporate all of your milks into a bowl. So that's the can of coconut milk, the can of evaporated milk, the table cream, make sure you get it all out, you don't want to waste any of it, and your half a can of sweetened condensed milk. We're gonna mix that all together. This is such a simple recipe and it's so delicious. My father-in-law loves Gelatina de Coco, which is coconut gelatin, so I make it for him. Where he's from, they add coconut flakes So I made it for him like that, but I prefer it just like this. It's good both ways. If you want to add coconut flakes, you can always add a cup of them to the gelatin and then just make it the same way, if you choose to do it that way. So make sure it's all incorporated well. Okay. Now we're gonna add the 2 cups of milk with the coconut gelatin and the 2 unflavored gelatin packets. And you want to mix as you add. So you don't get any clumps in there. And, you know, if you make a mess, it's okay. Like it happens. So let me show you all the shredded coconut I was talking about. It's this coconut sweetened flakes. This is the Springfield brand, but you can use any brand to add to your gelatin. Okay, welcome back. I totally forgot to record me adding this spray to the mold. And the reason we do that, obviously, it's so it doesn't stick to it when it's time to remove the gelatin from the actual mold. So yeah, if you don't have butter spray, you can use like a baking spray or any spray that you have at home that's for cooking, of course. And yeah, this is ready to go into the refrigerator. So all right, so I'm gonna put my gelatin in the refrigerator. And I'm gonna leave it there for about 6 hours or until it's thickened up. So I'll see you guys later. Hey everyone, I'm back. It's been about 5 hours since I made the gelatin. So I'm going to check on it. It should be done. Alright everyone, I'm back and I'm going to unmold the gelatin. But first I want to give a quick shout out to my mom for lending me her mold. Isn't it so cute? Anyway, okay, moment of truth. So we want to try to unstick it from the sides first. Okay. And then we want to flip her upside down. And voila! That is our Gelatina de Coco. Coconut gelatin. Thank you all for watching, for stirring the pot with me. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. And yeah, let me know if you'd like to see me make anything else. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.